So here's how to add or delete card on Temu. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your app library. Then from here you have to open your Temu application. Now click on the U option at the bottom of this page. Then here you have to scroll down and go to the settings option. Now here in the settings you will be able to view the option your payment method. Click on it. Moving on, here you will be able to view the page where you have to enter your card details. Due to the security reason, I am unable to record this part, so this part is recorded as a black screen. Here you have to add your card number, CVV number and then expiration date of your card. Then click on the submit option to add your card. Here it also allows you to add a billing address. Simply click on the choose a billing address option and then you can add your billing address here. Once you have added your card here, now you have to again go to this option and then click on the delete option in order to delete your card from here. So that's how to add or delete card on Temu.